Yo, what up? We just finished a 12-hour straight-on drive from San Jose all the way to Seattle, but we're here. Made it safely in one piece. I said I wasn't gonna do a vlog today because I have so many to catch up on already, but I'll make this the beginning of the Seattle Stancewars video vlog, and I'll show you guys around this house. I think we got this entire house as our Airbnb, so it's not just gonna be us three. It's gonna be a couple of other car people who you've seen before.
Jeff from the Calgary show, and
he has the red FRS Rocket Bunny.
Yeah, and KZ Auto Group, who organized this whole B&B for us.
Shout outs.
This is probably like the best place we're gonna stay at the whole shopping trip.
Man.
Oh.
Well,
other than nice.
Crazy. KZ Auto. Smells like a fresh new house. And here's the driveway. No! Hello! 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 Bro. If you're watching Star Wars, alright, let's go for a little tour. What the fuck? This place is huge. Friday, Saturday, Tuesday. God damn. Woo. I can already tell today is gonna be hella hot. Luckily, we have a tent. And I mean, last year we were on the 4th floor, but apparently it was a fire hazard to have a tent set up. So all of the booths that were on the 4th floor, any floor lower than that in the parkade, didn't have a tent at all. So yeah, today we're on the ramp heading up to the very top. So I think we're kind of shaded, which is okay too. Alright, show you my garage. So all of these guys are from KZ Auto Group, the M4 squad. Whoa. Imagine having a garage like this. And yo, morning guys. What you doing? Translation, tranquility from torture, theoretical theory, guidance through technological tyranny, traverse my verse, I testify my testimony sincerely. This automatic car wash right across the street called Brown Bear, and when I GPS car wash, hand car wash, it leads me to this Brown Bear place, but I tried to take my car over there, I paid and everything, and like last year, they said that the machine doesn't handle well with spoilers as big as mine, so luckily there was this place right across the street, and it's an actual hand car wash. Oh, motherfucker. $175. I don't even know if these are working, but yes. Yo, Derps told me to meet at this parkade, so I'm going all the way up. God damn, what the hell? There's actually so many people up here. What's going on? It's like a car meet up here. What? That's dope. Damn. Yeah.
No AC?
No AC, dude.
Oh shit.
Sucks.
Oh my god, you can come out here.
Yeah.
You can see it.
Are you already posted?
You should come by our lake.
Huh? Oh yeah.
I follow your YouTube and everything, bro.
Oh, right on, dude. Yeah, so this actually isn't the venue, but it's like a small little car show happening just because everyone wanted to meet here before heading down to the actual college parkade. Vendor booths have to be at the venue a little earlier than everyone else just because we have to set up. So I think we're going to be heading down there pretty soon, if not now. We made it, guys. Right now we're just setting up. U2s. Thanks for helping, bro. And Derps, of course. Yeah, upstairs here, most of the booths are already set up. Guess who I saw? TJ Hunt is here. I think I'm gonna go say hi. I'm gonna fangirl, man. I'm gonna go give him something. Yeah, I'm gonna go say hi to TJ Hunt. Look who's here, special guest.
Yo, dude. It was off camera, but I'm honored to meet you. Calvin has been like
watching this car for so long. And
no, honestly, yo,
I love everything you've done with this car.
I've been a mad supporter from the very beginning.
Thank you.
When you started from the forums and then going into like the smaller vlogs.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is peace offering, man.
Oh,
yeah,
dude.
A little gift.
Dude, I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much.
It's such a pleasure to meet you, dude.
Of course,
Your
man.
inspiration.
Of course, thank you.
Oh, buddy.
Is it like stiff? No, dude.
Guess what I'm fucking doing? Yo, do it, man.
Calvin loved that.
Hell yeah, dude. It's all about the hentais.
It's legal.
You got it.
They didn't even know what it was. It's like, oh, you just changed the I to a 1. And they're like, oh, it's all good. That's all good.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's great. That one's great. Nice meme.
Dude, god damn.
It's like F1, man. Throw the money at it. You're gonna fucking do that.
What? Oh, Cullen, what up, dude? Damn. We have to help Cullen upstairs set up a tent for friendship. Whew. All right, bruh. Real Lambo door. First time sitting in a Lambo. This is baller. Yo, Cullen, catch you later, man.
Thanks, Brady.
Hey, no worries.
I'll drop afterwards.
For sure, man. Yeah, have a good show, guys. Woo. Let's check it out.
Where's that?
Doczilla! Holy, dude. I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna show you guys the lineup of all the cars that are coming inside the event. Everyone's just waiting right now. Whoa. No way. Yo, our goal is to find one of these cars repping our stickers. Is that Danny? She said she was gonna be here, but no, it's not. We're like, is that Danny? This one I follow online. Yo, Devin. Finally, good to meet you, man. Let's get one. Let's get one for the vlog, dude.
Yeah, definitely.
Right,
I gotta come meet you earlier or later with my camera, with your car.
Yeah, for sure, man.
What's up, guys? My name is Devin. This is my rally backer V2 FRS. Pretty similar to your car. Is it your V1 or?
Mine's the V1.
V1?
Yeah, but I honestly think the V2 is so much cleaner, right?
Yeah, it's on there.
Oh, dude, this is so. Three Cities. What's up, man? Owner of this highlighter, BRZ. Yeah.
Like I said, yellow. Like,
Yeah, highlighter yellow.
green,
Yeah, yeah.
as soon as it comes out on top, everyone's gonna be like green, green.
Dude, it's gonna stand out for sure up there.
When I park it up or something, then you'll be able to see. You'll be like, look.
We actually met this guy last year,
Right, yeah.
same event, but this thing,
Look black.
yeah, it's come so far. And if I find that car, I'll just put it right here. So you're the owner of this thing.
Yes, I
Do you have an Instagram account?
I do. Number 3cities.beer. Guess we're rolling up, man. I guess we're gonna get going.
Right. We'll catch you later. Everyone's bagged. Everybody. I saw Cullen buy a skateboard deck earlier, so I'm going to the booth that sells them. They have a huge selection. Close. This is the unicorn. What are you talking about, man?
Remember what I did to it last? Remember last year it was silver and red?
Yeah, yeah,
I can't believe we fixed the whole thing.
yeah. And they actually, well,
Supercharged.
it's molded now?
Molded.
Wow, dude.
Fucking painted. Customized the entire. I put like 122 into this car.
Dude, this thing is Good work, man.
Appreciate it, brother.
Picked it up. Sick. Alright, so me and Calvin have been talking, and I think we've come up with a suggestion to make my Lambo doors a little more rigid. So we went upstairs, we took a look at Cullen's Lambo, compared, and the thing about Calvin and how his mind works is he's a problem solver. So he likes to try and find solutions to things. Yo, so Calvin, the solution that we came up with is pretty much just come up with like some sort of
guiding meme.
yeah, but that would be attached on this part,
Exactly.
right? Yeah,
So it would deflect out of the way if it were to get slammed.
yeah, exactly.
Protecting your door and preventing it from bending. So I understand why they didn't do that solution, the company, because they wanted to keep it easy to install, OEM hardware, right?
Yeah,
Commendable and beautiful design. But if you add stuff that becomes no longer OEMable, it takes away from their goal. So hopefully we have a solution, and we're just throwing ideas out there.
Yeah.
So the idea is to create a track. So the problem we're having is when you go to close the door, it still has the ability to go up. So imagine my hand as the hinge. So when you put it down and try to close the door, it still has the ability to rise. And that's where the problem is lying. And the way we know that is because of the way the door is hitting the U thing over there. Our idea was to create a way for the door to go under and not go up. So a restriction. And then also a guiding track so that I could slide across it and then go into the track and limit it. So basically a limiter to avoid passengers, because of course the car guys, we know not to slam it. But for passengers that decide I'm gonna slam this twice because the first time it didn't work, we gotta help them out. So technically you only have to do it for your side if you don't feel like doing it on the other side, because your passengers are the ones who need to figure it out.
don't know any better. Yeah, blessing my car with your hands, bro.
My hands are dirty.
It's all good.
I'm the sinner.
Yo, look who's here. What the heck, man?
You guys doing way over here.
Yeah. Dude, I look down and I find this thing. What the heck? It's like a tiny soda can. What the? I don't know. Okay, go. No, you're supposed to catch it like perfect. Name of the game is you drop it from this height and you gotta catch it and make it land perfectly like that.
I got the camera. You have to like follow it down just so you get that zoom effect. And then...
Oh, okay, you try. Yeah, right.
I'll show you.
Alright, crowd's kind of dying down, so it gives me a small chance to walk around the event. And dude, TJ Hunt's line is freaking long. Hey. Infamous build.
Trying to
No way. This is how you do a wide body. Hell yeah, bro. It's golden. Trapped in the outhouse. You munching? What are you munching on? What? Food? Transition! Back to this. Okay, here we go. Back to this. It's a cycle, dude. Yo, one more time. Oh, what the hell, dude? Oh, okay, we're stuck.
I got one idea. Wait. What if I do this?
Yo, Calvin. No, it's been good talking, man. Yeah, we hope to see you again, for sure.
Until next time.
Yeah. Right. Before leaving, gotta get a couple of shots with these two guys right beside each other. Alright, we're back at the Airbnb, and I am just gonna end this video here. It's been quite the eventful day. Got to meet a lot of you guys. Met a whole bunch of budding creatives, other vloggers and YouTubers. And yeah, it was really cool meeting TJ Hunt and like Calvin in person. Never actually thought that would ever happen. But yeah, this trip itself has taught me a lot, you know. First of all, now I know I can drive long distances. I can drive from Canada to the US. So me showing my car in your guys' city might actually be a possible idea. Stancewars successful, but it's been a long day and I think I'm just gonna pass out. I'm gonna end this video here, so if you guys want to get updated on when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button, drop a like, drop a comment, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. Thanks for watching. I'm out.